Yes, poggers. As you saw in the title, each word in this video is gonna get louder and louder. Yep. If you're hearing this from the very beginning, you can notice more and more difference in the sounds between each word in this video. Actually right now the volume of the video is at 169% of its capacity. You obviously started noticing that the screen is also getting bigger than before. Right guys? Can you hear me? RIP headphone users, I just want to say that I love you poggers.